Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are going to study Parliament Part 3, wherein I told you in the last class that we are going to cover the cut motions today. Alright, so all the other motions we have already completed. Now we are going to start with the cut motions and the three other motions that are part of a cut motion. So what exactly is a cut motion? Cut motion is a kind of special power which is vested in the members of Lok Sabha. So फर्स्ट पॉइंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर मेंबर्स ऑफ लोकसभा को ये पावर दी जाती है, एक स्पेशल पावर होती है. एंड व्हाई इट इज गिवन टू ओपोज, अंडरलाइन, टू ओपोज a demand which is being discussed for specific allocation by government in finance bill as part for demand for grants. मान लो गवर्नमेंट को डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स रेज करनी है, फाइनेंस बिल से कुछ पोर्शन का डिमांड गवर्नमेंट ने किया है, तो अगर उसको ओपोज करना है तब हम इस मोशन को रेज कर सकते हैं सदन में. ठीक है. एंड अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट इफ द मोशन इज अडॉप्टेड देन व्हाट, then it amounts to a no confidence vote. यानी कि we have lost confidence in the government, and if the so now government has to jot up the numbers to prove its majority, but if government fails to jot up numbers in the lower house, then the government will be obliged to resign according to the rules of the house. Okay, but if it is not adopted, then the government is safe. All right. Now, a motion may be moved to reduce the amount of demand also. If the government is demanding some amount taken from the finance bill for certain important, as allocation, then it can be reduced also. If you are not accepting it, then, the cut motion will be passed. But if you have to reduce it, for that we have policy cut motion. Please write it down. ठीक है. इट कैन बी डन इन थ्री वेज, नॉट जस्ट वन सिंगल वे. अंडरलाइन दिस. ठीक है, इस पॉइंट को लिख लीजिए. इफ द गवर्नमेंट, इफ द मेंबर्स ऑफ द हाउस, दे वांट टू रिड्यूस द अमाउंट ऑफ अ डिमांड, they can do that in three different motions, through the way of three different motions. ठीक है, रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं डिमांड को तीन वेज से. फर्स्ट इज नोन एज द पॉलिसी कट मोशन. सेकेंड मोशन इज नोन एज द इकोनॉमी cut motion. All right, and the third is known as the token cut motion. Token cut motion was asked in prelims examinations, so this is really important. Okay, and these motions can be moved in only Lok Sabha. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर लिख लीजिए, ये कट मोशंस जो हैं ये लोकसभा स्पेसिफिक मोशंस हैं. ठीक है, तो लेट्स डिस्कस नाउ द पॉलिसी कट मोशन, द इकोनॉमी कट मोशन एंड द टोकन कट मोशन इन डिटेल. Before we study the further three motions, let us have a look at this important announcement. Unacademy is launching All India Free Scholarship Test tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, on 28th November. It will be a 1 hour test. It's All India's free scholarship test, wherein you stand a chance to win scholarship from a pool of rupees 6 crore plus. So 100% scholarship will be given to those students who score rank 1 to rank 3. Then 15% scholarship will be given to those students who score from rank 2001 to 3000. So total 3000 ranks will be there. And top 1000 lucky participants, they will be getting iPad mini, Samsung Tab, Fitbit Versa and Amazon vouchers. So make sure that you enroll today, because tomorrow on 28th November this test will be conducted. It is a live test which you can give either on Unacademy's learning app or Unacademy's website. And do not forget to use the invite code ARPITA10. The link is given below in the description box. Click on it and enroll today. Also, Unacademy is giving 3 months free extension on a plus subscription of 1 year and above. So if you are taking a plus GS subscription or plus combo subscription of 1 year or more, you will be given 3 months extra extension of your batches. That is till 24th till 30th November. This offer is only till 30th November. And also you can use my code ARPITA10 so that you can get 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. The link is given below. You can subscribe today. We are offering huge discounts on your Unacademy Plus combo subscription. So if you are taking a GS plus optional ka combo subscription on Unacademy Plus, you will be getting 35% plus 2500 rupees as discount. 25% discount already has been provided with optional. 10% discount if you use code ARPITA10. अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो तो आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा एंड 22,500 is already off on your subscription. So within 55,000 rupees you are getting to prepare not just for pre and mains but also your optional. And this offer again is till 30th November only. So make sure that you make the best of this offer according to your year of preparation. You can subscribe to Unacademy Plus today and be a part of this great offer. We are also launching new optional courses like sociology, agriculture, PubAd, PSIR, geomorphology, and new batches are starting from 1st December. So make sure that you take your subscription today. Plus with these offers, we are also providing set of 20 books which will be delivered to your house covering the complete syllabus of pre and mains. So that you will not be confused on which resources to study. And these books have been reviewed by the top educators of Unacademy and previous year UPSC toppers as well. According to your language preference, they will be in English and Hindi. So you can get your books delivered to you with 1 year and above GSN combo subscription. Now when we talk about the policy cut motion, it's a very easy motion. See, if the members of the house are not happy with the policy underlying the demand which the government is making, but they do not also want to go into that no confidence motion vote, what they can do is they can use the policy cut motion so that the amount can be reduced to rupee 1. That indirectly shows the disapproval only, that the other members of the house are not happy with the policy for which they are demanding the money, for which the government is demanding the money. Okay, तो पॉलिसी कट मोशन में क्या होता है, देखो डिमांड जो गवर्नमेंट करती है, ठीक है, मान लो कुछ करोड़ की डिमांड गवर्नमेंट ने करी, ठीक है, अब बाकी के मेंबर्स को ये डिमांड एक्सेप्ट नहीं करनी, बट वो नो कॉन्फिडेंस वोट के झंझट में भी नहीं जाना चाहते, तो वो पॉलिसी कट मोशन एडमिट कर देंगे, जिसमें कहेंगे कि जो डिमांड है वो करोड़ से 1 रुपए कर दो, ठीक है, 1 रुपए हम आपको देंगे, अलाउ करेंगे लेने के लिए, इससे ज्यादा नहीं इस पॉलिसी के लिए। तो इनडायरेक्टली वो अपना डिसअप्रूवल ही शो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। नाउ सेकंड इज द इकोनॉमी कट मोशन। नाउ इन द इकोनॉमी कट मोशन दिस इज मूव्ड सो दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ द डिमांड will be reduced by some specific amount. ओके कोई एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट सेट कर दिया जाएगा, उतना ही रिडक्शन करके वो डिमांड पूरी की जाएगी गवर्नमेंट की, दैट इज इकोनॉमी कट मोशन। हियर दे आर नॉट कंप्लीटली डिसअप्रूविंग ऑफ दैट डिमांड, ओके। And then we have the token cut motion where the amount is reduced by rupees 100. See, in policy cut motion the amount was reduced to rupee 1, यानी कि अमाउंट ही rupee 1 कर दिया था। यहाँ जो भी टोटल अमाउंट है उसमें 100 rupees लेस कर देंगे, तो बेसिकली it expresses a specific grievance. Okay, that is why not major reduction has been done. So that is your token cut motion. ये आपका हो गया token cut motion, ठीक है। So I hope आपको अब ये बात समझ आई अच्छे से। So this was the complete coverage of the parliament. ये था आपके parliament के important topics का complete coverage. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Make sure that you let me know your feedback in the comment section.